Here we've got SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select security, lock screen and security right here, and then go to the advanced options. Scroll down a bit, and now you will notice encryption and credentials, so just tap on it. And if you truly want to remove all contents, all certificates, just tap on Clear Credentials. And if you really want to delete all the contents, select OK. And that's it. You've just removed all certificates, all the contents. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.